Good morning. I'm here at the Secrets Royal Beach Resort in Punta Cana, and I would like to do a room tour for you today. I am in room 3256 here at the front door. There's your emergency exit plan if you would ever need that. And you walk in, and the light control is right inside the door on your right hand side. You walk in, and to your left you have this large closet with the ironing board, your 2 robes, your laundry bag, your umbrella, all things you can use while you're here at the resort. And we open up this side. Here's the shelves. Extra bedding at the top, an iron, the safe, more shelves. It's connected to a big closet where you can hang your clothes. And then we go down here, and we have the mini bar area, the shelves, the little refrigerator, and it comes stocked. It gets restocked every day with items that you would like. You just tell your butler. I'm in preferred level again, and yeah, see, I'm running low on the water. The rest of the stuff is, but there's Coke, Sprite, club soda, an orange punch, beer. I think you can ask for almost anything. And then up here, the little coffee maker, little snacks. I have already had the M&Ms that were there. It has come with a bottle of champagne, and then up above here on this shelf you have your coffee, your sweeteners. I think this is Dominican Republic rum, I do believe. We were told that on our tour yesterday they make rum here. Bottle of rum, bottle of scotch, all this stuff, you know, complimentary, included in your stay, your glasses. And I checked in late last night, so some of the things this is not how it would look when you would first check in. I have my luggage there. If you go over here to the right, beside the bed, there's the control for the temperature in the room. I can't get it to go lower than 21 degrees Celsius, which is 69 degrees Fahrenheit, which it could be a little bit cooler for me. Your plugs, 2 USB, 1 regular outlet. Here's the controls for your bed, no controls for the bed, just controls beside your bed for the room. You can turn off all the lights, you can turn on the ceiling light, the ceiling fan light, the lights beside the bed. It's very, very convenient, and that's on each side of the bed. There's the little pull-out drawer, you know, good space there. Then the king-size bed. King-size bed. And over here, drawers. Nice big counter here. And then the little cubby space there. 4 drawers here. Yeah, pretty good size. You can stay here for a while. More counter space, lots and lots of counter. Good there. More storage and cubbies there. Your chair, a lamp, a nice tall lamp over on the other side. 2 more chairs, a couple of tables. Comes with your complimentary fruit. And then we come over here. And the phone. This one didn't have a tablet like the last room I stayed in. This has the phone. In case you want to leave notes for your butler, you do get a butler in this level. The remote, which was all sanitized and in that little bag. I watched TV last night, so it's out. But the controls again for the room, and there's more outlets right there. And another drawer and more storage underneath there. All right, and then if we turn back around, the padded headboard, the beautiful lights beside the bed over each of the nightstands, the fan over the bed, the pretty wood, large TV, more outlets over here, an USB, this little complimentary bag they give you so you can take it to the beach and then you take it home with you. And let's go back this way and I'll show you the bathroom. Alrighty, when you come into here, this is when you come in the main door and to the right, you're going to come in here, and then to your right, you're going to have your toilet, pretty artwork on the wall with this frosted door that you can close, and a hook for your clothes, a large shower with a frosted door. It has the rain shower head. It also has the wand. Then the controls there. Little shelf over here to keep your items. And it also has, which I like, the little thing you can pull out there for the clothesline that you go across. So after you've been swimming all day or whatever, you could hang your clothes right in there to dry. And then you come around here, there's your makeup mirror, all of your amenities, a mask in this here, the paper mask for you, your washcloths, razors, shaving cream, shoe shine, and this little bag here that's been sanitized. They have all these little stickers on everything to make sure they put it on and note that it's been sanitized. Mending kit, shoe polisher, a fingernail file. In the bag there's all the body wash and shampoos and conditioners and things. And you have your towels down below, and the scale, and some slippers, and the hair dryer. The scale I did dry. It must be out of battery. It didn't work here. I did try that one at the Dreams, and it did work, and it wasn't pretty. Not pretty. But anyway, a lovely large mirror all the way across. Only one sink right in the center. Better counter space than the Dreams I stayed in the other day, 2 days ago. So then you come over here, and it has the see-through, pass-through right to the bedroom. You can close those or leave them open, similar to the other property I stayed at. And then it has this large whirlpool tub, large. And then towel rack up there. But it also has the handheld wand that you can use there. But yep, whirlpool tub. Yeah, you can see right through. And let me get back out there, and we'll go to the balcony and show you what we have there. Then I'm going to start my day. We have a resort tour today. So let's see, let's get on out here. on open. Oh, and you just step out. Oh. Now this one doesn't have the little tub on the balcony, but it's a good size. Has two chairs and a table. Oh, and you can look down onto somebody else's patio with their little swim outs. Let's see, let's get around this way. I'm on the second floor, but yeah, there's are the swim outs down there. Nice. Sit here, I'm in this corner. You have the two chairs and the table. Oh, but see, these are kind of, you can see onto your neighbor's stuff. But pretty. It's beautiful, beautiful. You're sitting here, having your room service and your breakfast. And beautiful sight. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I will have more videos soon. Bye. Good morning. I'm here at Secrets Royal Beach, and I just found a few things that might be of interest to people if they're coming to stay here. I'm not a small person, but I don't consider myself extra big, and I've ran into this with the shower, that there is not much room between their counter, the shower door, and then it only opens so wide, and I don't have a lot of room with the little handle sticking out. Oh, you can't see. Can you see that way? Yeah, not a lot of room. So you have to be careful you don't hit your leg or your hip on the counter. Right there. So, just wanted to give you that little update there, that you have to be careful getting into the shower. And the only mirror is the makeup mirror and this long mirror in the bathroom. I cannot find another mirror in this room. Not on any of the doors and back of the doors or anything. So the only mirror that you have is right in the bathroom, that big long one, that the jacuzzi tub and the sink and the counter, it's behind that on the wall. And then out here, it's about 9:30 and you're almost in full sun on your balcony. It's beautiful, and if you want to sit in the sun, excellent, but it's full sun for breakfast. And then also the lock. I was assuming that green meant, whoops, can you see that? There's a little right here. Green is, so it's unlocked, and red is for it's locked. Okay, I'm at red, but I can still slide the balcony open. So, red, I can slide it open. Green, I can slide it open. So, it's moving, but yeah, I'm not sure if you can't open it from the outside, or if you can. So just be aware of that. But I had a nice day here, and I'm getting ready to go check out and get to the airport. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.